Hey, what's up guys? This is Andrew. I'm going to be doing a new series of videos starting today, particularly on interviewing preparation / coding challenges in JavaScript. So I'm going to be using LeetCode for the purpose of helping us out with that. And so I went to their website, clicked on the first problem on the problems tab. It's called twosum. So given an array of integers, find the indices such that two values add up to a given target. And there's only one solution, and you cannot use the same element twice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to iterate through these through this array, calculate the complement of each of the values that I'm at. So that means the value that would need to be added to the current element in order to get to the target. So this is just I'm gonna store this data into a map, and then I'm gonna iterate again through the array and check if I can find the given complement at the current index. So let's go ahead and do that. So we can use const map equals new map. And then we need to iterate. So use the for loop for let a equals 0, a is less than nums.length, a plus plus. And as I mentioned earlier, we're just going to be we're going to be storing the complement of the given element. So target minus nums at the value at the element at the index. So that's the complement so far, and we're going to store the index that we're at right now. The reason we're storing the index is because for the solution, they want the indices. So for example, in this array, 2 plus 7 is 9, which is the target. So they want 0, 1 is the answer because those are the indices of the values that added up to the target. So we need quick access to the index. So given this complement, A is a relevant index if it's going to be part of the solution. So if this complement is going to be part of the solution, so we're going to store that in our map because we need quick access to it. So next we're going to go once more through our array. So for let a equals 0, a less than nums.length, a plus plus. And then we're going to check if the map has the current element that we're looking at. And we can store that into a variable. And if that value is indeed there, then that's good news for us. There's just one thing we need to check for, and it says that we cannot use the same element twice. So we need to make sure that the index is different from so if we take a look at the map structure before, we were storing the other relevant index in the value of the map. So if we get the map value at this place that we're interested in, which is at nums of a, let me go ahead and store that into a variable. So this will be the other index corresponding to the complement value of nums a. So so we need to check if a is not equal to map get nums a. So we're just comparing the indices, one that we had set into the map and the current one that as we're iterating through the array. So if it's not equal, that the arrays are not equal, then we're not using the same element, so that could indeed be the solution. So we're just going to return a comma map get nums a, and go ahead and submit that. And there you go. That's a solution, or it's a solution. There are many solutions to these. I noticed that if you submit it many times, it'll give you a different runtime. So, I mean, I wouldn't rely too much on their speed evaluations. But I mean, we're looping through the array twice, so that's big O of n since you ignore the constant factor of 2 in front. So yeah, there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and you can likely expect to see more coding challenge walkthroughs. Yeah, so there you have it. See you guys.